Today's video regarding HP Deskjet 3637 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi Direct setup of this printer. Now the first step is to load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray and also open the paper output tray. On the display panel we have to activate the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer. So this is the Wi-Fi Direct icon. If you click it once, it will switch on and the same icon will be available on the screen as well. Also we need a password of this printer, so click on the information button once and it will print a printer information page. On this page look for the Wi-Fi icon again, and on the Wi-Fi Direct icon, under that you see the name of the printer and its password. Now to connect it, go to your iPhone and open the Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi look for Direct D6 HP Deskjet 3630 series. Once you click it, it will ask the password. Once you click it, it will ask the password. Now enter the password as it was printed on that sheet and click on the join button and open the HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store and click on the plus button on the top of the screen. You will see the name of the printer is available here, HP Deskjet 3630 series. Click on it and your printer is added here. Now it's ready for the wireless printing and scanning. This method is different from the Wi-Fi setup because this is the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi network where we are connecting our printer directly to our device. Thanks for watching.